Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to deal with exercise 7.2. In this exercise we will do questions related to segment formula. As discussed earlier, segment formula is used to find coordinates of the point which divides a given line segment in a fixed ratio. So the formula for section is Pxy is mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n, my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. And midpoint formula is if a point P is midpoint of line AB, then coordinates of P are x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. The first question is find the coordinates of point which divide the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Let us take the point P which divide the line segment joining the points A -1, 7 and B 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. By section formula, Pxy would be 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 upon 2 plus 3, 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 upon 2 plus 3. So the coordinates of P would be 1, 3. Question number 2. Find coordinates of point of trisection of line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Let P and Q be the points of trisection of line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So to find P, we will consider the ratio 1:2. So P would be 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4 upon 1 plus 2, 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 upon 1 plus 2. So the coordinates of P would be 2, -5/3. Similarly, to find Q, we will take the ratio as 2:1. So coordinates of Q would be 0, -7/3 by using the section formula. So the points of trisection of this given line would be 2, -5/3 and 0, -7/3. Question number 3 is to conduct sports day activity in your rectangular shaped school ground ABCD. Lines have been drawn with chalk powder at the distance of 1 meter each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in the figure. Niharika runs 1/4 of the distance AD on the second line and posts a green flag. Preet runs 1/5 of the distance AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. What is the distance between both the flags? And if Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining these two flags, where would she post her flag? So the position of green flag would be 2, 1/4 into 100. So position of green flag would be 2, 25. Similarly, position of red flag would be 8, 20. Now we have the coordinates, so we can find distance between these two flags using distance formula, which would be √61. Then we will find the position of blue flag. For this, we will use midpoint formula for the section part. So we will get position of blue flag as 5, 22.5. So the blue flag is posted in the 5th line at a distance of 22.5 meters. Question number 4. Find the ratio in which line segment joining the point -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. In this question, we are asked to find the ratio. And the 3 of the coordinates of this question is given. So we will use section formula and we will take the ratio as k/1, and by using the section formula and on comparing the both sides, we will get -1 equals 6k minus 3 upon k plus 1, and solving it as a linear equation, we will get k as 2 upon 7. So the required ratio is 2:7. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1, -5 and B -4, 5 is divided by the x-axis. Also find the coordinates of point of division. So since the point lies on the x-axis, its y-coordinate will be 0. We will take a point P whose coordinates are x, 0 and it divides the line segment AB in the ratio m:1. By section formula, we will get x, 0 equal m into minus 4 plus 1 into 1 upon m plus 1, comma m into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 upon m plus 1. We will compare the y coordinates on both sides and we will get m as 1. So the ratio is 1:1 and coordinates of p would be minus 3 upon 2, 0. Question number 6. If 1, 2, 4, 5, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. So we have we have coordinates of parallelogram, and the property of parallelogram is that diagonals bisect each other, so midpoint of both the diagonals would be same. So if we take the parallelogram as ABCD, then midpoint of AC would be equal to midpoint of BD. So we will use the midpoint formula and it would be x plus 1 by 2 comma 6 plus 2 upon 2 is equal to 4 plus 3 upon 2 comma y plus 5 upon 2. We will compare the x coordinates and y coordinates on the both sides and we'll get x as 6 and y as 3. Question number 7. Find the coordinates of point A where AB is the diameter of circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and B is 1, 4. So coordinate, we will take the coordinate of A as x, y. C is the center and C is also the midpoint of diameter AB. So to find point A, we will use midpoint formula. X plus 1 upon 2, y plus 4 upon 2 would be 2, minus 3. On comparing the x coordinates and y coordinates of both sides, we will get x as 3 and y as minus 10. So coordinates of A would be 3, minus 10. Question number 8. If A and B are minus 2, minus 2 and 2, minus 4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. So AP is 3 upon 7 AB and BP would be AB minus AP. So we will get it as BP would be 4 upon 7 AB. So the ratio of AP upon BP would be 3:4. So by using the section formula, we can find coordinates of P, which would be minus 2 upon 7, minus 20 upon 7. Question number 9. Find the coordinates of point which divide the line segment A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. So in this, we will take point D, E and F which divides line segment AB into 4 equal parts. And these are such that AD is equal to DE is equal to EF is equal to FP. So coordinates of E would be midpoint of AB. So we will use midpoint formula and we will get E as 0, 5. Then we will find D. D would be the midpoint of AE. So coordinates of D would be minus 1, 7 by 2. F is midpoint of EB. So coordinates of F would be 1, 13 by 2. So required points are minus 1, 7 by 2, 0, 5 and 1, 13 by 2. Question number 10. Find the area of rhombus if vertices of its are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. So we know area of rhombus is 1 by 2 into product of its diagonals. So first we will find diagonals of the given quadrilateral. Diagonals are AC and BD. We will use the distance formula and AC is 4 root 2, BD is 6 root 2. So area of rhombus would be half into AC into BD. It is 1 by 2 into 4 root 2 into 6 root 2, which would be 24 square units. So here we are done with the exercise 7.2. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.